Eat, sleep machine, Sterling Machinery. All right, we're back. American-made machine. This is a Betenbender hydraulic press brake. What's a press brake do? Simply, it bends. Here you can see some press brake dies. Now these dies get set into this machine and they're gonna form into the machine, allowing for that type of action right there to make your bend. Super simple, nice machine. This is a 50-ton, 8-foot. We're gonna actuate right here with our foot pedal. You can see our ram coming down. Now if we have our whole setup with our dies in there, we can set everything up for forming. You'll notice a 3-speed ram. We just quick actuation, slow forming, and then a quick retreat. When you're setting up your tooling to put your dies in, you're gonna need to jog everything. Set it up, make sure that we're not gonna crush anything. You can see it's a nice running machine, American made, simple back gauge right here. Forward, reverse, with indicator, and positioning system. Again, off-the-shelf parts, super simple, easy to get. If this is the type of machine you're looking for, let us know. We have lots of different ones in stock. We're always here to buy, sell, or trade. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.